Why do so many of us fear starting over? It's a question that has puzzled me for years. The idea of leaving behind what we know, stepping into the unknown, can be terrifying. We get comfortable in our routines, our jobs, our lives. But what if that comfort is holding us back? What if the fear of change is the very thing preventing us from reaching our full potential? What if change is the very thing we need? Here's my story. I once had an idea to build an app centered on mental health and finding your inner purpose. I was deeply passionate about creating something that could make a difference. After years of studying psychology for my degree and balancing both physical and mental health conditions, I believed I found my career niche and pathway to helping those in need. I spent countless hours finding developers, sourcing content materials and networking and hiring therapists from all over the world, and establishing an education technology business. My days and nights blurred together as I chased a dream I believed in with all my heart. But life has a way of throwing curveballs when you least expect it. I poured my heart into building this edtech business, chasing a mission I believed in. It wasn't just a job, it was my passion, my purpose. I envisioned a future where my app would change lives, solve problems, and bring people together. I was driven by a sense of purpose that kept me going, even when the nights were long and the challenges seemed insurmountable. Then, the world changed overnight, and my plans fell apart. A global event turned everything upside down. The world shifted, meetings were on hold as a pandemic took hold, and suddenly, my business was no longer viable. It felt like the rug had been pulled out from under me. I was left standing in the wreckage of my dreams, wondering what to do next. The uncertainty was overwhelming, and for a moment, I considered giving up. My app was months away from release into universities in the UK, when all of a sudden my app was left without a development team, and funding shifted into survival mode. Instead of giving up, I grabbed my camera and started sharing on YouTube. It was a leap of faith, a desperate attempt to find a new path. I had no idea if anyone would watch, if anyone would care, but I knew I had to try. I built an initial audience from presenting my business pitch and app features, services at events about student mental health. I started creating content, sharing my journey, my struggles, and my insights. Slowly but surely, people started to notice. They connected with my story, my authenticity, and my willingness to embrace change. I reached more people than I ever imagined, just by daring to pivot. My YouTube channel grew, and with it, a community of like-minded individuals who were also navigating their own journeys of change. The support and encouragement I received were overwhelming. It was a reminder that sometimes the most unexpected paths can lead to the most rewarding destinations. By embracing change, I found a new purpose and a new way to make an impact. Remember, your journey might take a new road, but your purpose can still shine through. Change is not the end, it's a new beginning. It's an opportunity to grow, to learn, and to discover new strengths. So if you find yourself at a crossroads, don't be afraid to take the path less traveled. Embrace the unknown, and you might just find that it leads you to places you never dreamed possible. Your purpose is not tied to a single path. It can adapt, evolve, and shine through in ways you never imagined. We would like to thank each and every subscriber here on YouTube for your continuing support. If you haven't already, please like, share, and subscribe to Inner Purpose Therapy. See you next time.